A world of words. One of my favorite places is the library. I go there to get books for school, and I go there to get books for fun. I often read mysteries for fun. In the summer, I read lots of mysteries. I like to sit outside and read. In the winter, I have to read books for school. I go to the library to find out things for my projects. I often use the dictionary and the atlas. Some of my friends go with me, and we sit at the tables and do our homework. We can't make a lot of noise in the library. People have to be quiet. When I first went to the library, I was confused about how to find books. The librarian showed me how to use the computer to find books. Now I can do all my research myself. I have read some very interesting books. I have learned a lot from library books. I always bring the books back on time so I don't get a fine. I am collecting books at home. Soon I will have my own library. The library has other things besides books. There are videos and compact discs at the library. I have a library card so I can get them whenever I want. My mother sometimes goes to the library to look at magazines. My father looks for books on how to build things. He is building some bookshelves for me. My little brother reads children's books. He likes books about trains. I have liked books ever since I was very small. Reading is a good habit.